Over the past 10 years, more than 19,000 people have been injured at enterprises in Kazakhstan. More than 100 children have lost their parents. In the funds group, over the past 3 years, 364 workers have been injured in industrial accidents. Of these, 37 have died, and 79 children have been left orphaned, including 62 minors.
What is your name and how old are you?
Jandos. I'm 12 years old.
Aliyah, 14 years old. And this is Ibek, 9 years old.
Zhenya, 10 years old.
Who is the coolest person to you?
Dad is cool.
My mom.
Artem Krasnov and Johnny Depp. But Dad is stronger than them.
He knew how to do everything. Play the guitar. He was a boxing master candidate. Even Dad was afraid of Mom.
Because Dad was the kindest.
What do you like to do in your free time?
He likes boxing.
After Dad died, I need to help Mom. So after school, I do housework.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I look after Abek, help him with his homework, and cook meals for my dad.
My daughter has grown up so much. I didn't even notice. Well done, my beautiful girl.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I do nothing. She changed a lot after her father's died. I don't even know how to help her.
He was at work. He has got hit by a train.
He loved watching and listening to sports matches online, while on the railway tracks with headphones on. He didn't hear the train signals, resulting in a fatal accident.
Mom fell from a height.
The accident happened while descending from the second tier of scaffolding. My wife lost her balance and fell onto the metal floor. Rest in peace, honey.
Dad died at work. He didn't follow the rules. If he had followed them, he wouldn't have died. He wasn't wearing a seatbelt. As they later concluded, he received multiple injuries incompatible with life.
Behind the dry statistics are real people. Their lives shattered, turning into tragedies for their loved ones. According to injury analysis, 80% of accidents occur due to the gross negligence of the victims themselves, which is directly related to the principles of a safe work culture. A safety culture means that all employees understand and follow safety rules and norms, and ensure others do the same. Therefore, it is crucial to make safety a common habit, a norm of behavior, not a burden.
If you had the chance to say one last thing to your father, what would you tell him?
Don't wear headphones while working. Always be careful.
We need you so much. Life is empty without you.
Follow safety precautions. We're waiting for you at home.